So for the map visual, there's two mandatory fields, and that is that you need a latitude and a longitude. Once you have that, the map is going to be displaying basic information. Then you can start to enhance it. So for example, based on a load amount, I can add a value. Once you do this, the main thing that I would always recommend is play around with the settings. So for example, right now you can see the labels are white in my case from the theme file. And so inside labels, I'm going to have a background which is going to be rounded so that you can see those values. Make sure that it's visible in those cases. But this is one part of it. You can add additional layers on top of it. So for example, you can add a category which isn't going to do anything initially. It's going to be seeming like it. But if you afterwards go into node settings, scroll down, pie charts on nodes, you can enable that. And that's going to be a clustered view on how different regions or what intents are being utilized the most. And the cool thing about the map is the closer you get, the more split version of that information you're receiving. Just make sure that you play around with the colors, right? Because, for example, this is a prime example of what not to do. My primary color is that yellow one, but since the same colors are used for the donut slice colors, it kind of seems weird. So the center is going to be, for example, gray.